Weather now with Louise, Lear. Hello.
Hi there, Sophie. All change on the weather front. Not much Christmas spirit, I'm afraid, in this forecast. For the remainder of this week, running up to Christmas, it turns increasingly stormy at times. Now, the first signs of that already arriving in the far north and west, where we've got widespread gales through Northern Ireland and Scotland, severe gales on exposed northwest-facing coast. And on top of that, we've got a spell of very heavy rain. At least the heavy rain is clearing through pretty quickly due to the strength of the winds. Not too bad for the remainder of the afternoon across eastern Scotland. The odd spot or two of rain, and the same too into the Lake District and West Wales. Windy here, but central and eastern areas, actually, it's a better day in comparison to recent in terms of more sunshine coming through. A few isolated showers on Channel Coast, but not too bad. A little bit fresher as well than recent days. Temperatures fairly uniform across the country, between around 6 and 8 degrees. Now, as we run through the evening and overnight, that wet and windy weather pushes its way southwards. The rain will weaken as it moves across England and Wales, but behind it, some pretty squally showers starting to push into Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some of them even falling as snow to lower levels. As it turns pretty cold here in rural spots, we'll see temperatures down to freezing. So we start off then with these squally showers driven in by strong winds with rain, hail, even some thunder and snow, chiefly to higher ground during the daytime across Scotland. But down to England and Wales, there'll be this relentless feed of rain through the day, really just grinding to a halt across the Midlands and the southeast corner, but milder here, 9 to 12 degrees, feeling really quite raw up into the far north when you factor in the wind as well. Now, it'll start off quite cold, possibly even frosty across England and Wales on Thursday, but Thursday perhaps the best day in the next few to come. A scattering of squally showers still up into the north, but quieter weather. However, the next storm moves in, another deep area of low pressure. This one has been named by the Met Office the second storm of the winter season. Storm Barbara is going to bring some heavy rain, but we're more concerned about the strength of the winds. So an amber weather warning has been issued. Be prepared for some disruption due to the strength of the winds, the strongest of which are likely to be as the low pushes away. So as we go through Friday evening, we could see storm force gusts for a time. That low clears away. A brief respite for the start of Christmas Eve, but not for long. The next area of low pressure set to arrive Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. So there is the potential for some disruption due to the weather. Keep watching the forecast, please, and tune into your BBC local radio stations for further travel and traffic updates. Sophie.
Louise, thank you. A reminder of our main story.